Time now for First Alert weather, but first, let's take a look overseas. At least 8 people now have died during forest fires in Turkey along the Mediterranean coast there, according to the Agriculture and Forestry Ministry. Since last Wednesday, the 28th of July, 111 wildfires have broken out in that country. Most have been contained, but 6 are still raging across parts of that country. That's tough stuff out there. And as we go over to Justin Hobbs, we've still got the fires out west. It's that Mediterranean climate, isn't it?
It definitely is. You know, like we were talking during one of the breaks, the winds plays a big factor in this and seeing the spread of them. Luckily for us, we're not dealing with fires. We're just dealing with a little bit of a messy radar this afternoon. Not for particularly the coastal line, but across the whole state of Florida, just these spattered showers and thunderstorms. Now you notice up to the north a little bit more consistent rain as you move into really southeastern Alabama, moving into Georgia. That's where our front is at. It's a boundary that's shifting to the south, but is stalled out. And that's what's going to help fuel some of our showers as we head into the rest of this week. We are still seeing some downpours, though, as we move a little further inland. You can see in Highlands County quite the heavy rain that's moving through compared to, say, us here on the coast where it's completely quiet. But as we go back over towards Highlands County, you can see we're getting quite a bit of lightning out there. Let's zoom in closer to our folks over there so we can break down this shower that is moving through. Now, this is all the way from Sebring down into Lake Placid. We've got some very heavy downpours. We've actually had some signatures as well of some actual hail signatures showing up. And let's try to pull that up real quick, see if it is still showing that. As we pick up on the hail signature, you can see just little light signatures. I'm going to shift this just a little bit towards the north. You can see up into Sebring where we had just a slight indication. Likely that's not making it quite to the ground. However, one thing that is making to the ground is the rain. Check out these rainfall over the last 3 hours. Quite substantial, up to an inch is what this is showing, and this is estimated from Placid Lake all the way to Sebring. But you'll notice that as you move off towards the west, though, not seeing rain, not really expecting rain. I think rain's going to be more so isolated far inland and off to our east for the overnight hours. But as we are going into the rest of the night, my folks in Highlands County, hang on tight. We've got some more shower for you. As we go into the overnight, though, we'll dry out. We could see some showers up into the bay in the early morning hours. Tomorrow, though, we'll bump the rain chance up just a tad bit. Not substantially compared to our midweek, but I think more folks are going to see at least a thunderstorm before the day is all said and done compared to, say, today. Here's around 10 o'clock tomorrow night. You get some of that thunderstorm develop in towards really eastern Manatee County, moving into Polk and to DeSoto and Hardy counties. Likely to see some more of that scattered thunderstorms as we go into your day tomorrow. Now heading into Wednesday, different story though. I think more folks are going to see widespread activity as we go into the afternoon hours. More folks are actually going to catch a drop of rain before the day is all said and done. Now, temperatures not as hot tomorrow, but we'll see the temperatures rise into around the upper 80s. Dew point still staying in the mid 70s. Heavy air outside, but I feel like temperatures nowhere near like what we saw over the weekend. I think we'll go right into those upper 90s. Rain chance is about a 50% chance as we go into the day tomorrow. This is really from that lunch hour on into the evening. That's our best chance to see those thunder showers. If you're heading out to the waters tomorrow, looking pretty good. Light chop on the waters. South west winds right around 10 knots. 2 feet seas, and make sure you're checking your beach conditions and your red tide reports before you head out to the waters. Now, the next couple of days, though, we will ramp that rain chance up as we head towards the midweek. Like I said, I really think the best chance for more folks to see a thunder shower is going to be as we head into Wednesday. 70% chance of thunderstorms, 89 degrees. We'll bump that temperature just back up to 90 as we end out the week, but our rain chances are going to go back to the 40%. That's usually what we see around this time of year. Our afternoon scattered thunderstorms, that 40% chance is hanging on as we end out the week and head into the weekend. Temperatures still sticking right around that 90-degree mark. 90 degrees on Saturday, even into Sunday, 90 degrees, 40% chance of showers, staying actually pretty consistent with temperatures and rain chances as we end out the week and head into next week. Monday, looking at 90 degrees, 40% chance of showers. So best chances of showers is again going to be as we head into tomorrow and Wednesday. Then we'll start to see that back off just a tad bit as we head later on into the week. But as we're heading into the midweek, make sure you have that umbrella handy.